Hi guys! So I wasn't actually planning on filming some footage this week because last week was the last week of Pride and I filmed so much footage for that week anyway, so there's so much to edit right now, and it was such a tiring week because I was like going out every day almost to film some footage for my week-long vlog. And so this week I thought I was going to take a break, but on Monday I was still really tired, but I wanted to go out for some fresh air, and then kind of went out and then went to the National Gallery.
Out to the bottomless sweets, inflating a balloon with vinegar and baking soda. My favourite is extracting the iron and cool for the money. It's something I wouldn't have expected.
What a modern version of the picture might look like. After using roleplay to explore the characters and the actions in the painting.
Watch, but in the picture I look a bit bored.
My character in the painting looks very thoughtful, so in our version I decided to be absorbed by my phone.
Saw this really cute exhibition on artwork made by kids that are in school, and they get help from a variety of people. Like some of them brought in artists, those who are like experienced in the profession, to help the kids like make these awesome pieces. So I think I have the little take one picture was what the exhibition at the National Gallery was called, and it's just really cool. As it describes here, it captures the imagination of primary school children across the UK, which I think is amazing because that art is one way that you can really express yourself using something that's fun and creative. So this exhibition was really cool. It was obviously like a small area of the National Gallery. That was great on Monday. And then Tuesday I kind of had like a busy day, so I didn't have time to go out, but also I had my intern lunches on Tuesday, so it's nice to sit inside, talk to others and take a break because it was a rough start of the week. And today's Wednesday. So on Wednesday I went to a exhibition called, I literally forgot off the top of my mind, contemplating food, contemplating, I don't know, it was something like that. I'm gonna put the name right here, but it was a small little photography exhibition. It's by Marcella Chan. She is the wonderful photographer. She's Asian herself, so it's like great to see Asian artists in London, because I don't think we get that many Asian artists. It was great to see, because who doesn't love food? And what was great about the exhibition was that it was showing food that you'll usually look at and be like, that doesn't look nice, looks kind of nasty, even though people haven't tried it, but actually taking photos of it to make it aesthetically pretty and yummy to eat. So that's what I loved about the exhibition. These little placards are awesome. I took like all of them. Obviously there was 5 of them, and basically they have the photos that were in the exhibition. Some of them on these placards, and they have recipes on the back of them, which is amazing, because I think this is definitely like spreading the Chinese culture, Chinese cuisine, those outside of China, to actually like try out for themselves to make these yummy looking dishes. And what's even more great about this, besides like, you know, just making these placards for free for people to take, is that they tell you where you can try these dishes and where you can actually buy them, which is awesome. So yeah, hopefully this week I get to go to, well, it's Wednesday now, Thursday, Friday, maybe I'll go out more.
A lot of Chinese business from the harbor and sort of the Chinese community coming together, demonstrate that by working together we can change environment to become successful. But there's more to the marine climate.
King Yao, the president for the Chinese Association at that time, he asked me to join. So I started doing.
Hi guys, so obviously I'm filming again, so that means I went to my final exhibition for the week. In the end, I decided to go to the China Exchange again and go to the Making of Chinatown exhibition. Actually, it's written in Chinese at the back here as well, which is pretty cool, because obviously a lot of the visitors were actually Chinese as well. A lot of them are tourists who are just going to Chinatown and obviously getting food to eat, so they stopped by as well to go see the exhibitions there. The Making of Chinatown exhibition was very interesting to see the history from the 1900s to all the way to present right now, and see how Chinese people, the Chinese community, have contributed to different events, different big events that's happened in the UK, like World War One. Actually it's from the 1800s, I mean, to now 1800s. I'm not sure, was it late, mid or start, but in the 1800s there was not enough kind of seamen here, so Chinese people immigrated here to help just have enough men here to work as seamen, but obviously after a while didn't need that many anymore, so they immigrated back. So it was all very interesting to learn about the history, but also there was videos playing of the Chinese community that's still living here right now, who had either been born in the UK in like the 70s and stuff around that time, or were from China, Hong Kong, and then moved to the UK and have lived here for quite a long time. I would say like 30 years was like the average that they've lived here for. So it was like really cool just to learn about the whole community, to see artifacts and all sorts of stuff, listen to their stories, watch videos, and like learn some cool little facts about it in an interactive exhibition. Amazing exhibition. Obviously it was quite small, same with the contemplate one. Both are fairly small, so you can complete it quite fast. Usually I take a little longer because I read something and then I have to read it again to make sure it's like solid in my mind and I've properly read the display. So would definitely recommend if you're in Chinatown to just stop by, have a look. It's for free anyway, so it's great supporting the Chinese community, learning about all these different interesting information. I thought I wasn't going to go to another exhibition, art gallery, museum on Friday, but turns out I did in the end, because I just really wanted to take my lunchtime to go out. It was a nice sunny day and I really wanted time to myself. So where I went to in the end was the World Illustration Awards at Somerset House. So this is going to be for a month, 11th of July to the end of July, 29th I think, and it's just showing a wide range of illustrations, obviously by artists from all over the world. There's just a huge range of pieces to see, so there's obviously just the prints themselves on large posters, but there's also some t-shirts, some that are on packaging, also videos and 2 sculptures. So there were some mixture to see, but mainly like large prints on the walls, which all were amazing. So outside is kind of noisy right now, so just had to close my window, and it's probably gonna get more and more warm in here. So yeah, just quickly trying to wrap everything up. It was a great exhibition. They also had a little postcard. This is by Lil Chen. Her details are here. This was just a little postcard that was on the side next to the little card pamphlet for the exhibition. So yeah, this was cute. I love it. Definitely going to check out some more works by the artists that are there. This whole week has been great. Been to, what was it, the National Gallery, the China Exchange, and finally Somerset House. So 3 places that I went to this week, which was all pretty close by my work, like within walking distance. I could go in my lunch break briefly just to check out what's there. Yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching, guys. Write a comment down below what you'd like to see next, what you thought of the video. Thumbs up if you enjoyed this video so I know you like this type of content, and subscribe for more videos. So yeah, thanks guys, see you next time, bye.